choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get caught.
Alright guys, what is up? It's Sunday morning and there's actually going to be a Cars and Coffee event that's going to be going on here in Temecula. I'm currently still by my house at the gas station. I'm actually being a little bitch boy today because Susanna made me get her a fucking coffee because she barely woke up when I called her at 6:30 and she knew she was supposed to meet me at 7. But hey, you know what? She needs a coffee. Let's do this. Today's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna vlog it. We're gonna take pictures. And then after, we're probably just gonna do our regular adventure shit. So today's gonna be one of those types of days. Alright guys, so well, we already got with Susanna. I gave her a coffee and we're actually headed there right now. So yeah, we should be there in about 20 to 30 minutes, if so, if that. It's really close by our house, so yeah, it's not too much long of a drive. It's just, I don't know, it's whatever, but nothing really much to show, but we'll be there.
If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich.
Alright guys, we're here. But it looks like we're a little bit late. Thanks, Susanna, if you watch this, but I doubt it. But yeah, we're here. Long line, fuck. No, you know what? I take that back. We're not late at all. We're actually kind of early, but it's just there's a long ass line to get in, so which is good. We're gonna have a spot. We're good. Sorry about that. Hey, shout out to SoCal 9s. They're all right there, posted up. SoCal 9s. I know some of you might watch this. Hopefully you comment below. Your boy right here getting you. Hey, we forgot to wash our cars.
Huh?
We forgot to wash our cars.
That's life.
Dude, I feel so not like ready for this.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out to me for being a bitch boy.
Okay.
Oh my god, we got some supers in the house. Ooh, oh, I hear you. You want to be on the vlog too, huh? Oh, dude, you look so young, man. Lucky ass. Hey girl, I haven't seen you since last year. Damn. Damn. Once again, bros. up, brother?
What's up, brother?
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. What question do you have for this owner?
Are you even low, bro?
Alright guys, so if you guys don't remember, a long time ago, if you watch my videos, obviously from a long time ago, I've done a video on this, guys. Don't sleep on my videos. I do good ones sometimes. Sometimes I don't, but a long time ago. Damn. What are you doing, Susanna?
Looking at food.
Yep. I already told them that we're probably gonna go eat after.
Oh no, we are. It's not like a maybe, because I'm always a fat ass.
Tanner, so how do you feel about all the people that still comment on our old videos about you?
Keep it up, bro.
What up, bro? Why didn't you tell me you're coming? You should have left when we did.
My friend's also in, I decided to come out.
Hey, Santa, I finally found something you can drive. I found something you can drive. Something for your height.
So funny.
For your height. Trying to make a meme. Sean found a good spot. What up, man?
Hey, turn it off. Who wouldn't trade in your Civic for the Shelby?
Oh, because mine is just a Civic. A-hole.
I'm joking.
You guys see what I have to put up with?
I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe.
Alright guys, so as usual, our meat got, it wasn't shut down, but Santa shut it down. Look at her, she's hella hungry, so yeah, we're closing out the vlog about the meat right here. Well, never mind, we're gonna go eat, and we'll be back.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's been a while since I picked up the camera. I apologize. Me and Ronnie, and then we have the homie right here named Caesar, and then we have our other recruit, our new recruit Benny, and then we have Luis with us. We're gonna be doing some rolling shots on the freeway, so I chose to come with our fastest car, the fastest R18 on the team. He has 2 twin turbos, and he's running a shot of nitrous. Right, Ronnie?
Yep.
No, we're just fucking around. But, yeah, dude. So it's gonna be a chill day. Good way to end the vlog. So let's get to it. We're gonna go to the car wash first. So, yep. We just got here to the car wash. So, what do you guys think of our new recruit, guys? We have another blue Honda finally.
What's up, guys? What's up?
What's up, man? Alright, guys, so this is Benny. I mentioned him earlier when Ronnie's car. So, what are your plans for this car, bro?
Wheels, E85. Probably just intake and manifold swap. I don't want to avoid anything too crazy.
You have an exhaust yet? No.
No, I can do stock.
Are you gonna change your exhaust?
I was thinking the K2 Universal one for that.
Oh, okay, okay.
Cool. That, I don't know. So I've been hearing you don't have a Honda, like your fuel to rail, you know,
yeah,
gas and all that.
Yeah, you should get that too.
That's what I was thinking.
Yep.
Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chillin' some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My pussy.
Alright, guys, so what's up? It's Monday morning, the day after Sunday, obviously, the day after we filmed that vlog that you're watching right now. And I just want to say that I hope all of you have a good day and a good rest of the week. And just to update you guys, I'm going to be going to Tuner Evo. Some of my friends are going to be going, some of the guys on the team. And so if you guys are going, if you guys want to DM me on Instagram, DM me so that way you can, you know, meet up with me or whatever. That'd be cool to see if anybody actually watches today's video and hits me up and sees me there. That'd be cool. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Like it, comment, and subscribe, of course. And it really does help me a lot if you guys comment, like if you like it, or even if you just like it, because it helps me stay motivated into making more videos of the future and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, because once I hit 1.5k subscribers, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So and it's gonna be a powder coat stage 1. So that's like, if you want to have like a color of like a black, or like you know, just kind of like something really like a basic color change, it'll help you guys a lot. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you like that kind of giveaway, and hopefully we can do some other things up in the future. So yeah, like the video, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you on Sunday, and Sunday also I'll be vlogging, taking a lot of pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Peace.